Hi guys, you're welcome back to my channel Naija News and Entertainment. This is still your favorite YouTube channel and I'll be bringing you gist from the Ultimate Love Show. Jelo became the third Ultimate Love couple to be checked out from Auntie's Love Pad this season last night. Last night's live show featured a checkout from the game and of course a nail-biting nomination in the Love Pad. You can never go wrong with black, and if you don't think so, why not let Dakori Akande and Oluwaseun P show you how it's done. Koko and Louis got checked out last night from the Ultimate Love journey, and this announcement was met with tears, hugs, farewell messages from the love guests. As they took their seats with Oluwaseun P on the live show stage, Jelo expressed their thoughts on their time in the love pad and what the future holds for them when asked about how they were currently feeling about living. Louis said it's a win-win for them and is glad they found love. Also, Koko did not fail to express her gratitude for her time in the love pad, as living with many people in one space taught her a whole lot on how to tolerate people. Of course, their highlights in the game was choosing each other and learning how to build trust. When asked by a fan on what the future holds for the couple, Louis happily said it's going to be a positive ride for them. The question of who they both fancied in the love pad beside each other came up, to which Louis and Koko admitted Teresa and Arnold respectively. No surprises there, right? The portmanteau game. One might say they lost this game of luck for retaining their portmanteau in this game. They received a sum of 100,000 naira and would have gone home with 300,000 naira if they had picked a different portmanteau. Don't worry guys, it's not about the money but the love. On this note, we wish the couple a beautiful love journey ahead with Cupid. Shaking the ships, Oluwaseun P had a suspense-filled moment with the love guests, starting off with Bola and the outcome from Friday party with the ex. Arnold was questioned on his relationship with Bolanle, if he only saw her as a tax, and what his intentions are for his partner. To this, Arnold replied saying he is still getting to know her in the love pad, and their relationship is taking baby steps in their love journey. In this table-shaking session, Oluwaseun P noted that Fresh Talker nominations ended up facing possible checkout tonight. For this reason, he asked Fresh Talker to take him through a nomination process, to which she said she was only playing a Do Me I Do You in her nomination. A nerve-wracking nomination. With the most intense atmosphere, the love guests put up their preferred nominations this week. Double Chris came up as the most nominated pair with 4 nominations. Here's how they nominated. Ultimate Love couple Chivia nominated Jkesh and Double Chris. Obiebi nominated Double Chris and Presh David. Love couple Bola nominated Jkesh and Double Chris. Love couple Roxy nominated Jkesh and Ikrisa. Love couple Jkesh nominated Bola and Chivia. Love couple Presh David nominated Roxy and Bola. Love couple Ikrisa nominated Double Chris and Obiebi. Love couple Double Chris nominated Obiebi and Ikrisa. Now let's look forward to Auntie's save this week. Who do you think will be given another chance at the Real World Challenge, aka Monday Mission? So guys, don't forget to leave your thoughts in the comment section, and if you're new on my channel, don't forget to subscribe and also hit on the bell icon to get new notifications when a story drops.